May I request once again Father Eugene to come on stage to give the certificates and awards to St. Nicholas I, to be assisted by Mrs. Marietta Del Prado, Student Activity Coordinator.
Our dear administrators, beloved parents, friends, and guests, good morning. I am proud and happy to represent the smart and adorable boys of St. Nicholas for the school year 2008-2009 and to present my dear classmates to you. I am honored to give you our ever patient and loving teacher, Mrs. Antoinette M. Paterno.
Thank you, Roberto.
Welcome, Mrs. Antoinette.
Joshua David Gabriel Viado Cruz. Gold Ribbon, Academic Excellence. Andrew Banal Castro. Cedric Antonio Manalat Bronyola. Wilfredo Dominic Soriano Dacanay. Justin Nathaniel Romero Nicolas, Blue Ribbon Conduct Awardee, Gold Ribbon Academic Excellence. James Yani Bautista Javier. Rupert Gabriel Isaac Reyes Somera. Marco Gabriel Maranan Banzor, Blue Ribbon Conduct Award. Joselito Uicoco Domingo Jr. Pierre Rainier Hermogenes Tamargo. Francis Quinto Salmorin, Blue Ribbon Conduct Award. Roberto Gabriel Vallejo Gamboa IV, Blue Ribbon Conduct Awardee, Gold Ribbon Academic Excellence. Alexander Paul Santiago Alhambra. Joaquin Inigo Di Maculangan Cacnyo. Alphonse Jose De Castro Yan. Timothy Dwayne David Wong. Andre Cesar Aguares Agacer. Gary Abraham Mulies Moralia. Luis Ignacio Pineda Lugod, Blue Ribbon Conduct Awardee, Gold Ribbon Academic Excellence. Volante Yabu. Thomas Allen Montoya Tay. Inigo Boko Pangkulan. John Yamis Zachary Labalan Espino. Rod Daniel Mendoza Dumalao. Olex Palputila Gamat. Wayne Nathan Stevens Uy. Joshua Adam Sanosa Alegre. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the smart and adorable boys of St. Nicholas for the school year 2008-2009.